Walking Macau Streets. Dear Lord, show me a sign. Give me a map. Oh yeah.
And I think this used to be the Opium Museum I saw on different maps, but now it's like a medical stuff for... And we're gonna walk down Bocage Street on this kind of... Okay, so we're gonna go down Bocage Street on this rainy day. This had this beautiful mural here, which is now painted over white. So we'll see what that looks like in the future. I'll tell you. You can look at the thumbnail at the end and kind of see what it looked like before. So I do have other videos where it was always there. And we're starting out near, not too far from the waterfront over that way. Sunset Park is right here, and then you have this Praça de Pont e Horta, which has Sunset Park and this hotel with some artwork, and we're gonna walk all the way down Bocage Street, so stay tuned. 2024. Let's check out Macau. Come on. Before we go down our Target Street, this is kind of cool in here because you have this nice yellow and white architecture, like kind of Portuguese style. And I think this used to be the Opium Museum I saw on different maps, but now it's like a medical stuff for like a clinic, basically, my understanding. So we are going to go down Bocage Street. And yeah, so you're gonna see, if you look at the end of my video, I usually put the streets what they look like in the past, so you can see some past videos of Bocage, and you'll see this giant 2-story mural that was really photogenic, and that's all gone now. That's painted over, but I'm almost positive they're gonna put something else there, so I'm looking forward to seeing what that is. And behind us, they had this other little lane with all kinds of artwork as well. And they had artwork behind here too, that's all blank. And it is raining hard. I am going to get out of the rain, come over to this side. And we're gonna walk down Bocage Street on this kind of rainy day. Okay, let's hop back on up. Yeah, the rain is really coming down now. Let me just kind of capture it like this. I always want to capture this little whiskey store right there with all this liquor. I'm a bit curious what that is. And it's actually daytime right now, and the sun, it's so dark out. It's about 12 noon. Tennessee. Looks like they got all kinds of stuff besides just, but they do have some kind of interesting whiskey. Okay, I'm gonna run back across to this side. Got this rainy day today. Coco Select. It's like a new, kind of new shop. Taobao. So the Taobao, that means you can buy stuff from mainland China. You just show them a picture of what you want, and they'll order it for you. Haircut, 88 haircut place. It's really raining today. So let's see. We're gonna try to go straight in a moment. We have to wait for these cars. They're that big vehicle's having some problems turning. But this street right here, this is often in photos. I see it all the time in photos. Oh, it's like a restaurant right there. This is a Gamboa Street. But we're going to continue down our street in a moment. But I just want to capture this in the lighting. It's like 12 noon, but right now it's So kind of a cool street. So I just go underneath like that. This is Gamboa Street. But our target is Bocage Street. Oh, it's really dark outside. Suddenly it just started raining real hard today. And it got real windy. But it's actually good for photography. So I can't complain. The colors have like a deeper richness to them. And then the lights come on a little bit, which is even better. So this is like a beef food restaurant right there in the corner. And I guess it's under construction now, so I don't know, we'll see what that becomes later. Then this one right here is a hotel. And I remember it was there before, but Bocage is kind of short. It's only 2 blocks. Yeah, this one to the left right here was a hotel. But I don't know, now it's like a restaurant and has some other purposes now. Master kitchen. I don't know what it is. I think it's still the hotel. Got a little restaurant straight ahead. So yeah, pretty windy day. Bocage used to have that artwork at the end, which made it look really cool and photogenic and very attractive. But without it, it looks a little bit funny. I've always thought that building was really cool. This one on the corner. You got a parking lot. If they changed that and made it into something different, so that's our target street right there. I'm just gonna go down for a moment. I'm gonna just capture this street with it. Things are just blowing around. It's real windy. That street looks, that building looks really cool. Dang, it's windy. Oh, man. Anyways, we're not even on Bocage anymore. We're on these other ones. Man, it's so windy. 5 de October. I'm just gonna go down because I'm gonna ground my video. Travessa de 5 de October and Rua de 5 de October. I'm gonna ground my video by going around this block. And we're gonna come back to Bocage in a minute. But this is a really cool building right here too. This is Rua de 5 de October. Oh man. They're doing construction right here because they're building the train line right there, so that might become a station later. That's that blue hotel that we walked by. That one right there. And now we're by another hotel. Kind of had a series of them. And we're gonna come back to Bocage. Bocage. But this kind of grounds the street, gives you some other context to where it is exactly. And then we're gonna end our video in a short moment once we get back to Bocage Street. There it is right there. Bocage Street. And that's the street sign. 2024. Let's check out Macau. Come on.
Toma cuidado la movimento.